Hey there, lovely listeners. Welcome back to Mindful Living with Aaliyah in Adelaide. I'm Aaliyah, and today we're diving into how a simple morning cleaning routine can transform your entire day.
Hi everyone, Adelaide here. This topic has been on my mind a lot lately.
Ooh, has it? Do tell.
Well, I've been experimenting with making my bed every morning.
Uh huh.
And it's amazing how that small act gives me a sense of accomplishment.
Oh, wow. I felt the same when I started doing that,
Really, I used to think it was such a mundane task.
right? But it sets a positive tone, don't you think?
Absolutely. It's like the first domino in a chain of good habits.
Couldn't agree more. And there's actual science behind that.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, completing tasks releases dopamine, which boosts our mood.
Mmm. No wonder it feels so satisfying.
Exactly. But sometimes I get overwhelmed trying to do too much in the morning.
I see.
Do you ever feel that way?
Definitely. I've learned to keep it simple.
What's your go to routine then?
Making the bed, opening the curtains, and taking a few deep breaths.
Sounds peaceful.
It is. And sometimes I add a calming scent.
Like lavender?
Yes, lavender is my favorite.
Oh, I love lavender too, though I prefer citrus scents to energize me.
Interesting. It's funny how different scents affect us.
Totally. Do you ever play music in the morning?
Sometimes soft instrumental pieces.
Nice. I tend to go for upbeat tunes to get me moving.
Makes sense. It's all about what sets the right tone for you.
Exactly. But do you ever worry about sensory overload?
That can happen if I try to do too much.
Right, right.
I think balance is key.
I agree. The other day I tried adding candles, music, and strong scents all at once.
Oh no. How did that go?
Not well. It was way too much.
I can imagine. Sometimes less is more.
Definitely, I've learned to scale back.
Good call. And it's important to be flexible with our routines.
I couldn't agree more. Life is unpredictable.
Exactly. Like yesterday, my alarm didn't go off.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I woke up late and skipped my usual routine.
How did that feel?
Surprisingly okay. I didn't beat myself up over it.
That's great. Self compassion is so important.
It really is. We're only human after all.
Indeed. And sometimes those unexpected changes can be refreshing.
Absolutely. It keeps things interesting.
By the way, have you thought about how cleaning your space can clear your mind?
I have. There's something therapeutic about tidying up.
Oh,
It's like decluttering externally helps declutter internally.
well put. I feel the same when I organize my workspace.
Yes, a tidy desk makes such a difference.
Agreed, but we have to be careful not to obsess over it.
Right. Perfectionism can be counterproductive.
Exactly. It's about progress, not perfection.
Couldn't have said it better.
So, for our listeners, maybe try adding one small thing to your morning routine.
Great idea. And see how it feels without putting pressure on yourself.
Yes, and share your experiences with us.
We'd love to hear from you.
Well, I think we've had a wonderful chat today.
I agree. This was fun.
Thanks for joining us on Mindful Living with Aaliyah and Adelaide.
Until next time, take care of yourselves and your spaces.